AIMIX is a modern mining machinery manufacturer focusing on the research and development, production, and sales of crushers. It has more than 20 years of mining machine manufacturing history. The company covers an area of more than 200 acres, and the first phase has built a 20,000 square meter standardized workshop, forming an annual production scale of 100 multi-cylinder hydraulic cone crushers. AIMIX company mainly produces multi-cylinder hydraulic cone crushers, jaw crushers, impact crushers, Simmons cone crushers, spring cone crushers, sand-making machines, feeders, vibrating screens and other stone processing equipment. In order to produce good products, we have introduced good machines and testing equipment, such as gear planer made in Russia in 1965, CNC cutting machine, CNC vertical lathe, as well as some large processing equipment and special process equipment for product quality, and the completion of equipment production within the contract period provides a strong guarantee. The use of original spare parts is a key factor in maintaining a long service life of crushing and screening equipment. All main parts and wearing parts of crushing and screening equipment are made of good wear-resistant materials, adopt strict processing technology, and are durable. AIMIX has more than 20 service engineers who are proficient in products, skilled and experienced. According to the actual needs of customers, AIMIX formulates multiple sets of process plans for comparative analysis, selects a reasonable plan, realizes personal customization, and provides you with meticulous and considerate services at any time. We have branches in Uzbekistan, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Bangladesh, to enable customers to obtain spare parts in a short time and make the most of their equipment. We can also provide installation, commissioning and training services for customers until the equipment operators can use the equipment normally. Next, let's go to our finished machine workshop, where all the equipment that is completed, the tested and painted will be stored here, waiting to be packed and shipped to our customers. You see, this is jaw crusher. It's ready to send to our customers in the Philippines. This jaw crusher capacity is 50 tons per hour, and the maximum input size is 300 millimeters, and the output size less than 50 millimeters. You can see, this is the jaw. This is the fixed jaw, and this is the moving jaw. This is the vibrator feeder and vibrator screen, and the vibrator screen capacity is 150 tons per hour. It is the 3-layer screen. The upper screen size is 20 millimeters. The middle screen size is 10 millimeters. This one is 5 millimeters. The vibrator feeder and vibrator screen will shipping to Uzbekistan. This is the spring cone crusher. The crusher input size within 150 millimeters. The output size less than 20 millimeters. This equipment is ready to be sent to our African customer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or needs about the crushing equipment, please feel free to contact us. AIMIX Group always here supply service to you.